Hi guys, we'll be making today a similar tarte like tarte tatin, but this is a very simplified way. And what we need is apples. I've got 4 apples here. They don't have to be Granny Smith. I personally don't prefer Granny Smith in desserts because they are very sour, and to balance the sourness you need a lot of sugar. So why do that? Instead I'm using some Gala apples, which is I bought a couple of weeks ago, and they've been sitting on the kitchen bench, so they're gone really soft. I won't be throwing them, so I'll be using these apples. Please don't throw food. If you have old bananas, they've gone dark, the skin gone really black, they are not throwing material. Just peel them off, mash them, put them in your milkshake, or make banana bread. So please don't throw fruit or any other food that it's still edible. So it's good to use things, and I'm a home cook, I'm not a chef, so I like to use whatever I have in my kitchen pantry. I don't go buying expensive stuff because a lot of people can't afford all these ingredients the chef really show on television. So anyhow, I don't want to go and brag about it. So we got about 4 apples. You cut them roughly the way you like. For this one we need also some puff pastry. This is a new style puff pastry that just came out here. It's butter puff pastry, so I'll be using it. It's really good and flaky. I need 1 sheet for the base, and the other one I'll be cutting strips of it and put on the edges. And also you need some apricot jam to spread on this on the sheet, and we need some brown sugar. I got the light brown sugar, not the dark sugar, and I'll put some cinnamon because cinnamon and apple go really well together. So we'll add some cinnamon, mix it in the sugar, and mix it well. And also I'll be using some walnuts to spread on top of the apples, which give it a little bit more crunch. If you like to use almonds or any other nuts, hazelnuts, whatever you like. Okay. And also I won't be using butter to brush the apples. I'll use vegetable oil. And so before we start, we spread some sugar on the base. When it caramelizes, it gives nice flavor with the cup. And we'll bring the puff pastry and I'll put it on top. Spread some jam. Apricot jam and apples go well together. You can use any jam you like, but this is really nice. We'll brush the edges with egg. I've got 1 egg here with a little bit of milk, and I always put vanilla essence to get rid of that eggy smell, for dessert of course. for other pastry, savory, I don't. I use yogurt instead of milk. Brush the edge. I put 2 layers here, so it doesn't matter how many layers you like. And now we'll arrange the apples. I like them a bit chunky so they won't be too soft, so they will stay crunchy after baking. If you like tarte tatin, but it's a little bit fiddly because you have to make your own pastry, this is very similar, and believe me, it's so much tastier too. It's really nice because that sugar on the bottom, on the base, it caramelizes and it gives it nice flavor. Butter to brush them, but I'll use some vegetable oil. You can use canola oil just for the healthier option. Because we've got enough butter on the puff pastry. Okay. This is a bit of apple seed there. Now we'll add our brown sugar with cinnamon, mixed with cinnamon on top. Sprinkle some walnuts, chopped walnuts. And preheat the oven, 180 degrees, fan forced. If your oven doesn't have a fan, it will be 200 degrees. And bake it until your puff pastry is nice and golden. Okay, we'll brush the edges with the egg wash. Okay, and we'll put it in the oven. And we'll show you the final results after it's been baked. See you soon. It's about 25 minutes since I put the tarte in the oven, and it's ready. Get it. And there you have it. Just like that. Very simple, easy to make, and not that many ingredients. And I hope you try it and let me know. You can serve this one once it cools down. You can cut it and serve it with vanilla ice cream. Bon appetit, and thank you for watching. Merci, ciao.